Hello everybody, my name is Eric. Welcome to this video. On this video I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to create your website using Website X5. So this is the software we're going to use to create our website. You can go ahead and download your free trial on the link on top. Go ahead and test it out, and let's get started with this video. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is choose to create a new project, then go ahead and click next. Now Website X5 is asking for the general settings for your website. This would be website's title, website's author, website address URL, your website description, website keywords, your content language, and your website's icon. We're going to go more of this on the Website X5 tutorials that I have made so you can understand how to use it to its full potential. Okay, let's go ahead and click next. Now, then Website X5 is going to ask us to choose the menu type for our website. So if you want a vertical menu or a horizontal menu, we're going to go ahead and choose a vertical menu and click next. Okay, now Website X5 is asking us if we want to choose one of the templates it already has for us to choose from. So for example, you can choose from, I think, more than 1,000 templates. I was really amazed of how many templates they have for you. But say for example you didn't like any of these templates and you wanted to make your own custom template just like I did with my website. So we're going to go ahead and click on custom template and go ahead and click next. Now you're going to structure out your website. Okay, so we're going to choose our background image, our heading image, our footer image, and this is really simple. That's why Website X5 is such a great software. So we're going to choose our background image. Now I already have all these images downloaded on my computer, but go ahead and visit my download section. You're going to go ahead and be able to download free background, free templates, free headers, so you can start building your website right away. Now we're going to choose the header image, also known as the title bar. Very simple. All you have to do is select the image you want, double click it, and it'll upload to Website X5. Okay, now we're going to choose a footer color, and then we're going to go ahead and click next. Okay, now we are customizing our template. So what we're going to do right here is going to add all the text, all the buttons, and all the images we want to introduce in our header and in our footer. But let's go back just one click and set this to 150. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and add some tags. We just click on it and you see how it appears. We don't have to know any type of programming language or need to know any type of hard, difficult software. It's really simple. Now down here we choose what we want our text to say. For example, I want it to say Glammy Looks. And then we choose the font. We click on the font button. We choose the font we want. You can also download cool fonts from my download section. You choose the color, then you position it. See how easy it is to position your objects with Website X5. Then another great thing is that you can add effects to your text. So for example, I'm going to add a mirror effect to make it look more professional. I'm going to choose the distance. Okay, now next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add buttons, and these buttons are going to be made as images, but I'm going to be able to link them to pages from my website. So for example, this is very simple to do. I'm going to choose my buttons. I already have all these buttons downloaded on my computer. And in my download sections, you're going to have access to button creators and all that stuff, so it is easy for you to create a website. Okay, I'm going to pause this video for the sake of time, and then when I come back, I'm going to have my buttons ready. Okay, I'm back, and as you can see, I already added all my buttons. And another thing you can do is insert flash animation, a slideshow. I'm going to insert a search field. You see how easy it is to position your objects? Okay, position it wherever I want it to be, and once I upload my website, this search field is going to be fully operating. You can also insert HTML code, but that's something we're going to go over on the tutorial. So now we're going to go ahead and test this out. And you can see how we already created a website in a couple of minutes. Okay, so this is how easy it is to create your own website. Go ahead and check out the tutorials that are in the left nav bar. I guarantee that you are gonna create your website and that you're gonna enjoy creating your website. So go ahead and get your website X5 free trial so you can start creating your site, and I'll see you on my other videos.